Nautical charts indicate all conspicuous land features that can be used to take a bearing from. Using a sighting pylorus or even a handheld bearing compass, a line of position can be drawn on the chart. Several bearings give several lines of position, and the position is estimated within the cocked hat. Even with one landmark in sight, it is possible to obtain an approximate position. If the landmark is a high structure or land feature, its height is indicated on the chart. A sextant can measure the angle between the object and the horizon. The sine function of that angle will give the distance from the object, which together with its bearing can be used to plot an approximate position. Another technique, called running fix, consists of taking several bearings at one landmark, but at different time intervals. If the course and speed is noted during the intervals, 2 or more bearing lines of position can be drawn and the slide ruler used in order to parallel shift the distance covered until it fits between the lines of position. The International Association of Lighthouses Authorities, Voyage System, is divided into 2 categories: the Lateral System and the Cardinal System. The Lateral System is used in restricted waters, such as buoyed channels. In Region A, which includes all of Europe, the green buoys are kept to starboard and red to port when sailing from sea to land. In Region B, it is the opposite. The Cardinal System refers to the geographic 4 quadrants: north, south, east and west. This system is used to mark navigational hazards such as shoals, reefs or wrecks. Different black and yellow stripes and different cone shapes identify the 4 cardinal marks. In addition, there are a few buoys for marking stand-alone dangers, such as wrecks or working areas in buoyed channels. In confined waters, traffic separation schemes ensure safe navigation, as it separates inbound and outbound traffic in well-marked lanes. Regulations request all vessels to join or leave these lanes at their extremities. If impractical, the lane should be entered at as shallow an angle as possible. If a TSS has to be crossed, it has to be carried out as close as possible to a right angle. Being in the TSS doesn't change the general rule of the road convention. Vessel traffic services can be expected at traffic separation schemes areas and at port approaches. Reporting is often compulsory. Traffic control is called on its working VHF frequency. Even if reporting is not compulsory, a sharp watch on VHF channel 16 is to be kept. Unsafe navigation in restricted water or in traffic separation schemes will most likely be noticed, and the navigator should follow the instructions of the VTS centre.